Health is wealth.
Movement is medicine.
He's decked out in a two-piece suit in the sweltering heat, but the man known as Giant barely raises a sweat. That's because after spending a part of his life behind bars, he is using pull-up bars to change lives on the streets that almost claimed his own.
I turned my jail into a cocoon. Went inside real ugly like a caterpillar, came out a butterfly with this.
Hassan Yassine Bradley is the founder and CEO of Giant Thinking, and he's like a Pied Piper in communities like Harlem. He regularly parks his minivan on some of the most dangerous streets of the city. His fellow volunteers, called the Bartenders with a Z, unload portable pull-up bars, and they all take turns working out anywhere and everywhere.
Matrix, go Perk.
And as passers-by stop and look,
can you come drink with us at the bar, please?
This reformed drug dealer tries to get them hooked on fitness.
Stay there, stay there, stay there. I do the best that we can do with our community as far as promote the fitness, come take your energy out on the pull-up bars instead of on the corners doing anything. And they said, well, there's nothing wrong with chilling, Mr. Hassan. Well, the word itself tells you that you're prepared to freeze. So if you say you're chilling, then mentally you ain't going nowhere, but physically you're looking good. So I'm trying to get away from the look good and get them involved in the think good.
Giant has been doing this for more than a decade now, and if you think he is not having an impact, why don't you ask 21-year-old Sammy Wells, who was incarcerated in his early teens and was behind bars for 3 years. Now he's headed to college.
I look at him like a brother, an uncle, a father, all in one. You know what I mean? When you can be so many people at one time for no reason, it's like this guy doesn't even know me and cares so much. He wants me to do so well. Why? You know what I mean? Every day we're learning something new.
Lives are being changed because we use exercises as a metaphor for the ball. We tell kids to pull up your character, attitude, and personality. We've had great success throughout the 5 boroughs and beyond.
Giant's popularity is really picking up. He has a DVD featuring his work, and he's also a popular speaker in more than 75 schools because he speaks to young people in their own language and raises the bar a little bit higher.
Give him some energy. Give him some energy.
In Harlem.
Excellent. Good catch.
Cheryl Wills.
We want you to pull up on this bar so you won't wind up behind the wrong bars.
New York 1.